ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
Hello, dear listeners. You have just tuned into our popular show, Chronicles of the Past, where we discuss important historical events that took place on the same day in history. Today is the 26th of August, and the facts are as follows. Today is celebrated as Women's Equality Day, which commemorates the ratification of the 19th Amendment in the US, giving women the right to vote, a turning point in gender equality. In 1910, Mother Teresa was born on this day. Mother Teresa devoted her life to serving the poor and sick. She received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. In 1768, British explorer James Cook began his voyage aboard the HMS Endeavour, which led to the first European contact with Australia's east coast. In 1789, the Declaration of the Rights of Man was adopted during the French Revolution. This declaration became a foundation for modern human rights movements worldwide. Dear listeners, that's all for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali signing off. We will meet you again with more interesting facts and discussions. So please stay tuned to Radio Manu 90.0 FM.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past